It's Vlogmas day 11. Ow! Trying to be cute and I bumped into the daggone cabinet. Good morning, y'all. Welcome to Vlogmas day 11. Woo! We're almost at the halfway mark. I have way too much energy this morning and I haven't even had coffee. I'm making some grits, corned beef hash. Gosh, come on. There we go. Jeez. I usually don't add any seasoning to my corned beef hash. Because I have a little bit of salt in my grits, and then I add cheese and butter and stuff like that, and I mix it together, so I don't need any seasoning. So I just let that sit. It takes me a while to cook my corned beef hash because, like I said, I like it crispy. So I'm gonna just let that cook, and it looks like it's time for me to add my grits. Okay, y'all, and this is exactly how I like my corned beef hash. I made myself a latte, and then my cheese grits and my corned beef hash. Isn't it cute? So this is my breakfast. If you guys are wondering where I picked up my heart-shaped bowl, Dollar Tree, in this glass. But I'm gonna just sit here and get a little bit of work done. So that's breakfast. Y'all, so tell me why I've been looking for my my little, what are these things called, these sponges, for the longest time, because I know I had like some more left, but I just found them. And I've been looking for my aromatherapy linen spray. This is the lavender one with the lavender oil. I like to spray it on my curtains and on my bedspread sometimes. But y'all remember I bought this a while ago, and see how much is in here? A lot, because I couldn't find it and it was up under my cabinet. But right now I'm just cleaning out my dishwasher. So I'm just spraying it down with some bleach, and then I'll just run it, clean it out, because a lot of people ask me, when y'all see me washing dishes, a lot of people ask me if I wash dishes by hand first and then put them in the dishwasher. I do wash them by hand and put them in a dishwasher, but when I put them in the dishwasher, it's for them to dry, and I basically store my clean dishes in my dishwasher. But because I know a lot of us do that. So if you guys do that, just make sure that you clean your dishwasher out, because some of that water will stay at the bottom and it'll cause it to have like a bad odor. So you have to just make sure that you clean your dishwasher out at least once or twice a week is the way that I do it. So that's just what works for me. So so I just spray it down with this Clorox, and then I just let it run for a little bit, dry out, and then I put my dishes in. So yeah, that's how I do it. So y'all, guess what? I just basically canceled on Ryan. Well, I did cancel on Ryan. I just basically just told him that we could do it tomorrow, because I've been trying to like stick to my my schedule, and I've been writing everything down in my planner, and I want to make sure that I stick to that. And doing an extra mukbang today just was not in my schedule. I wanted to give myself a day off, a day to breathe, a day without makeup. And so I just told him that I'll do it with him tomorrow. Of course, I have to record on my mukbang channel tomorrow, but I'll record earlier in the day, and then he gets off at night, so that'll work out perfect. But I just have to try to stick to my plans, and like I said, give myself a break, because I do a lot. Like, I have 3 channels. Y'all know I have my vlog channel, which I'm doing Vlogmas. I have my mukbang channel. Then I have the cooking channel that I edit. So it's just a lot. It's like every day go, go, go. So I have to take this time for myself. Wednesdays is the day that I usually would have off completely. I wouldn't record on my mukbang channel or my vlog channel. So, but I know he understands. So, because I'm tired. And like I said, I don't want to put on no makeup today. I just want to relax and do what I want to do. So I take this day for myself, but I don't mind picking up the camera and doing my Vlogmas and stuff, because I can edit from the bed. Like I said, I don't have to get dolled up all the time, because you guys know that I'm just, I chill out. I don't wear makeup every day if I don't have to, and it is what it is. So I just, like I said, I just want to take the time out for myself. Don't have to worry about doing my hair. Don't have to worry about doing my makeup. None of that. So, that's it. I want to, oh, these are my favorite sheet masks. Dr. Jar. So I love those. I have a lot. Oh, I like this one too. But, let me see, where is it? Oh, let me show y'all this one. Y'all have seen this before. I get a lot of questions on my last self-care video when I did the at-home spa day. These are the foot masks that I use, and I picked these up from TJ Maxx. I like them a lot. Oh, here it is. So this is Goodbye Chapped Lips, and it's a nourishing lip mask. So I've been wanting to try it for a while. I also picked these up from TJ Maxx. So this will be my first time trying it with you guys. It's supposed to nourish and plump your lips with one single use lip patch infused with nourishing aloe and peach extracts. So you remove the clear film and apply to clean lips for 10 to 20 minutes. I don't want it to plump my lips, honey, because she's plump already. So let's try it. I'm getting ready to watch some Netflix. Do y'all ever watch that show, Ready for Love? Nephew Tommy is the host. Love that show. Okay. Me and Tony watch it all the time. But I'm not sure what day it come on because we have to always catch it on the Fire Stick. So, alright. So this is what it looks like. Is it focused? This is what it looks like. And it's very thin. It feels just like the Peter Thomas Roth eye patches. Whew. They feel good. I like these. It felt, it started tingling at first. And I've never experienced anything like that before. I have heard that lip gloss that plumps your lips, make your lips tingle at first. So I don't need my lips to plump up, sis, because they're nice and full. But I like them. So I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog here. I hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me. I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.